Hi, it's Gary Kayye. We're here at Integrate 2017. We're standing right outside the lobby entrance to Integrate 2017. I'm here with Craig Saunders. Craig's the BDM for the ClickShare product line for Barco. Good morning, Craig. How are you?
Good morning, Gary. How are you?
Doing well. The first day of the show just opened about an hour ago, and Barco's doing something cool. They did this at ISE. You did this at Infocom. Yep. It's the first time it's launching here at Integrate. Basically, they have little huddle spaces that anybody can come up here and use, and they're all outfitted with ClickShares. Right. Because why?
Because we want the customers that haven't experienced ClickShare before to come and experience how easy it is to use ClickShare in a meeting space.
Yeah, and it's a wireless collaboration tool. They basically plug and play, or not plug and play, because you can use any of the wireless casting services like
Correct.
AirPlay and Miracast or whatever you want to use. And the rooms are set up where you can just have an ad hoc meeting, but all of them are powered by ClickShare.
Correct. Yeah. So even the customers that are familiar with ClickShare already, they can come down and book a meeting space for the last-minute customer orders or on-site meetings that they need.
Now, here at at Integrate here in Australia, this is sort of the Australian launch, Australian-New Zealand launch of the CSE 800, right?
That's correct, yeah. So it's the first time the customers will see at Integrate the CSE 800. So lately we've just launched the latest release of firmware for the CSE 800, which gives us annotation and blackboarding. So some great new features for ClickShare that we never had before.
Yeah, I actually have a CSE 800 in my classroom at the University of North Carolina because of how easy it is to use. I mean, it literally is plug and play, and I can connect any student anytime I want. But the annotation feature is a great new feature for the product, and the 4K functionality is a big deal.
Correct, yeah. Dual 4K out, dual 4K in as well. So for those cameras that you need to launch inside the meeting space, we can just plug them in with HDMI and have that via moderation to be pushed onto the screens.
So Barco, of course, 5 years ago was known as a heavy-duty, high-end projector manufacturer, and for the most part around the world, I think Barco is probably now even better known for the ClickShare product line. Is it that way here in Australia as well?
Yeah. We have a great market share with ClickShare. Our distributors, AV distributors, do a great job pushing out to all the resellers. So yeah, I think we're well known for ClickShare here already. But
you also have projectors still.
Still have projectors where we still have the new UDX range for rental and staging guys, and we also have a really nice range for the business rooms as well. Right,
and all of them are here at the Barco booth. We're going to go around the Barco booth, and we're going to take individual product videos on each of the product stations. So you can type in the word Barco, the name Barco, in the video search window in the top left-hand corner. Yep. So how's been the usage so far? I know the show just opened, but I see 2 of the rooms already occupied.
Yeah. So even by the time we arrived this morning, there was people already sitting in the booth ready to use it. So it's great to see.
Now, if your competitors come here, you can record those meetings automatically, can't you? Do they know that?
No, we can't, but yeah, it would be a great feature if we could.
Wouldn't that be? Actually, you know what's neat about it? Because it is on the network, I mean, you could. I mean, an integrator could add that functionality, and that's one of the value propositions is that it is sort of an open source platform in the sense that because it's on the network, you can actually add as a feature, as an integrator, they could sell that as a service to be able to record and archive all the meetings that they have with ClickShare. Yeah, correct. The other thing that you could do with ClickShare is it is cross-platform, so it works at all levels, both as an individual product and an enterprise level product. And the CSE range, E is enterprise, has that the higher level security for networking. Has that been something that people were asking about with the prior versions?
Yeah, correct. That was always a request from the customers because we never had it on the very early versions. When we brought out the CSE range, it allows us to push into more markets now. Banking and finance, this sort of thing, where security is quite highly regarded.
Yeah, and for those of you who haven't seen it, you should Google it. It's dual band antenna, wireless or wired. You can do it either way. Of course, you can see all that information, everything at barco.com, or just Google ClickShare or type in Barco in the video search window, top left-hand corner of the screen where you're watching this right now. And of course, you can see all our Integrate coverage at ravepubs.com/integrate2017. Craig, thank you very much for joining me. I appreciate it. Best of luck to you. We'll come in here and we're going to use this room a couple of times during the show, so thanks for doing this.
Welcome.